In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image letterhead into Google Docs. This process is straightforward, but having a clear guide can make it even easier. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Once there, you'll either create a new Google Doc or locate an existing one to work with. If you're starting fresh, simply click on New in the top left corner of the page and select Google Docs. If you already have a document in mind, locate it in your drive and double-click to open it. Once your document is open and ready, take a moment to preview it and identify the space where you'd like your letterhead to be. Now, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Image. You'll have several options for uploading your image, but for our purposes, we'll choose Upload from Computer. This option allows you to directly use an image that's saved on your device, navigate through your files, select the image you wish to use as your letterhead, and upload it. Once uploaded, the image will appear within your document. Depending on your image and document settings, you might need to adjust the zoom level for better visibility. To do this, click on Zoom in the toolbar and select 50% to see the whole page more clearly. To ensure the letterhead fits nicely onto your document, simply double-click the image. This will open up a suite of tools specifically for image adjustments. Go for Behind Text from the options provided. This allows your written content to overlay seamlessly on top of the letterhead. Next, you can refine the positioning and size of your image. Click and drag the corners or sides of the image to adjust the frame until it fits perfectly into the top section of your document. If you want a detailed view while adjusting, try switching back to 100% zoom level. This helps in precisely placing and sizing the letterhead without straining your view. Once satisfied with the placement and look of your letterhead, you're ready to proceed with crafting the main content of your document. Everything from here should fall smoothly into place, giving your document a professional and polished appearance. Finally, take a moment to preview your final document. Ensure everything appears as desired. And there you have it! You've successfully inserted an image letterhead into a Google Doc. With this newfound skill, you can elevate your document presentations quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.